Hello, welcome to our channel My Telugu Shop Pickles. Today we are going to learn about how to create or launch Linux server from EC2 service in AWS. So what is meant by EC2? EC2 is a service which is provided by AWS for create Linux server, Windows server and MacBooks. So let us see what are the steps that are available to launch Linux server for us. So to launch Linux server from EC2, we need to first log in into the AWS console with the root user and then select services, select EC2 from compute section and then click on launch instance. So from here you can search for different machines like Windows or Linux or MacBook. So as we want to create Linux server, here we are selecting that first one, Amazon Linux 2 AMI1, and select that one and click on next. We will go to the next section where we need to select instance type. If we see, there are options like choose AMI. On the top of, you can see that options: one, choose AMI, second one is choose instance type, third, configure instances, add storage, and then add tags, configure security group and review. These sections will be same for Linux, Windows and MacBooks usually. So here we are selecting the free one and then we are going to next one, configure instance details. Under configure instance details, we will give VPC details, and also we are selecting as a public VPC one here, and then we are clicking on add storage. So here this is the root directory that will come up with the server. Here if you want to add any other file systems, you can add here. The EBS service is having the different kind of file systems. You can select here and then click on next, add tags. This add tag section will help you to find out the server here for you. So here we can give name and value, so that this server, from these values we can find out the server for which purpose we are creating. For example, here we are creating one Linux server for .NET, so I am giving the name as Linux server for .NET. You can also give one names based on the use of your server here, and then click on configure security group. Under security group, default Linux server will come up with the SSH to access this Linux server from the PuTTY, and then click on review and launch. So here we will see all the properties that we selected for Linux server, and then it will allow you to launch. As I already used my account for more than a year, I don't have any free service, so I am not launching here, but your account will get free if you are less than 1 year old in AWS. So just click on launch and AWS will launch or create Linux server for you. How to access Linux server? So once you get Linux server created under EC2 and then go to instances, you will find out the IPs of that server, and take that IP and come to this PuTTY and give EC2 user @ that IP, and then you will log in into the Linux system as shown in the screenshot. So these are the steps that needed to launch Linux server from EC2. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching our video. Please comment, share our video. Please subscribe to our channel My Telugu Shop Pickles. Thank you.